Hello guys, welcome to the Jet Fighter channel, where we discuss and learn the most interesting topics about combat aircraft. In this video we are going to talk about the second part of the world's most lethal 5th generation stealth jet fighter aircraft, the F-22 Raptor. First of all, I highly recommend you guys to press that subscribe and like button if you haven't already, because we upload weekly videos on this channel with footages about the most iconic jet fighters and you don't want to miss this out. So let's get started. The F-22 Raptor is a 5th generation fighter that is considered 4th generation in stealth aircraft technology by the USAF. It is the first operational aircraft to combine supercruise, stealth, and sensor fusion in a single weapons platform. The F-22 has 4 empennage surfaces, retractable tricycle landing gear, and clipped delta wings with reverse trailing edge sweep and leading edge extensions running to the upper outboard corner of the inlets. The aircraft's dual Pratt & Whitney augmented turbofans engines are closely spaced and incorporate pitch axis thrust vectoring nozzles with a range of 20 degrees. Each engine has a maximum thrust in the 35,000 pound class. The F-22's thrust-to-weight ratio at typical combat weight is nearly at unity in maximum military power and 1.25 in full afterburner. The maximum speed without external stores is approximately Mach 1.8 at military power, and greater than Mach 2 with afterburners. The F-22 high cruise speed and operating altitude over prior fighters improved the effectiveness of its sensors and weapon systems, and increased survivability against ground defenses such as surface-to-air missiles. The ability to supercruise or sustain supersonic flight without using afterburners allows it to intercept targets which subsonic aircraft will lack the speed to pursue, and afterburner-dependent aircraft will lack the fuel to reach. The F-22 thrust and aerodynamics enable regular combat speeds or Mach 1.5 at 50,000 feet. The aircraft has an integrated avionics system where through sensor fusion, data from the radar, other sensors, and external systems are filtered and combined into a common view, thus enhancing the pilot's situational awareness and reducing workload. Among the most technically complex equipment on the airplane is the ALR-94 system, a passive radar detector with more than 30 antennas blended into the wings and fuselage for all-round radar warning receiver coverage. Its range exceeds the radars and can cue radar emissions to be confined to a narrow beam to increase stealth. The F-22 has 3 internal weapons bays, a large main bay on the bottom of the fuselage and 2 smaller bays on the sides of the fuselage. The main bay is split along the center line and can accommodate 6 LAU-142 launchers for beyond visual range missiles, and each side bay has an LAU-141 launcher for short-range missiles. 4 of the launchers in the main bay can be replaced with 2 bomb racks that can each carry 1,000 pounds or 4 250 pounds bombs. Current armaments internally maintains the aircraft's stealth and minimizes additional drag. Missile launchers require the bay doors to be open for less than a second. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, share it to friends and comment below.